Mango sticky rice is a classic Thai dessert. In Thai, we call it khaoniao mamuang. Khaoniao means sticky rice and mamuang is mango. It is also one of my favorite desserts of all time. Hi all my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. So growing up in Bangkok, I remember eating khaoniao mamuang all the time, and especially more during the hottest seasons in April and May because it's also the peak season for mango. So every time I can eat like 2-3 plates at a time, like seriously. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this mango sticky rice as well. We're gonna wash the sticky rice until the water becomes clear for like a few times. Then we're gonna soak the sticky rice in water for overnight. So when the next day comes, we're gonna drain the sticky rice. And place the sticky rice on a cheesecloth and cover it up. In a steamer, bring water to a boil. Transfer in the sticky rice and steam over high heat for about 20 minutes until they are cooked and translucent and also look kind of glossy. So let's say if you have a rice cooker, you can directly put the sticky rice into the rice cooker and just put the water at the same level as the sticky rice and use the setting for rice. While the sticky rice is cooking, in a saucepan, add the coconut milk, sugar, and salt. Cook over medium heat and stir until dissolved. And bring to a boil. So now our sticky rice is ready. Transfer the cooked sticky rice in a large mixing bowl. So I transferred 3/4 of the coconut milk mixture into this measurement cup. We're going to pour it over the sticky rice. Quickly mix all together. And we want to work really fast because when the rice is still hot, it can absorb the sauce a lot better. And cover up with a lid or an aluminum foil. Leave it there for about 15 minutes. So now after 15 minutes, uncover the lid and then combine again, cover it up, and let it sit for another 15 to 20 minutes. Here we're going to place the saucepan over a medium heat again with the remaining 1/4 of the coconut sauce. We're going to add cornstarch slurry. We want to constantly stir until it is thickened for about 3 minutes. In another saucepan, I'm going to bring water to a boil. Add the mung beans and cook over low heat for about 3 minutes. And we're going to drain it. In a frying pan, I'm just going to brush a thin layer of vegetable oil over it. You can use a paper towel or a brush. Then transfer in the mung beans and toast until crispy over high heat for about 5 minutes. And now I'm just gonna peel the skin of this mango. I'm using honey mango today. And of course you can cut it into thin slices or you can cut it into bite-sized pieces also. And now our job is almost done. We're gonna serve it on a plate and drizzle over some sauce and then sprinkle our toasted mung beans. It's perfect. This is heavenly. Give it a try. There are so many desserts that's made out of sticky rice. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, let me know. For me, I love mango sticky rice, I love tangyuan, or even like sweet zongzi. They're all so good. And if you're interested in these recipes, you can check out my website, or you can check on the link right here for tangyuan. So remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. Bye now!